Hey guys, today let's try to add yours sticker on YouTube Shorts. So if you guys would like to go ahead and add yours sticker over on a specific YouTube Shorts, in this video I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do just that. So all we need to do first is to go on over on YouTube, launch the YouTube application, basically go on over and tap on the plus icon to create your YouTube Shorts. So once you're there, I want you to tap on the short option. Of course, you could now go ahead and take a video depending on you'd like, but basically once that is done, just tap on the option to access your stickers icon. So where is our stickers icon, you may ask? Let's go ahead and tap on this option and see if we have stickers over here. In this case, our stickers is not here. All right, so now tap on that check option and now we have the stickers right here. As you would see, we now have this add yours option, and we can now go ahead and add a prompt depending on how we'd like and proceed with posting this add yours on our YouTube channel as a YouTube short. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.